94.5, all oldies, all the time. 3WS 408 with Sherry tonight. Join 3WS for 5 hours of your requests on the Saturday Night Oldies Party. It's a blizzard party tonight. 3WS is Kenny Woods. He's here in the building. He has made it. So he'll be your host tonight for lots of good times and great oldies. All by your request. We'll provide the music for your blizzard party tonight. 7 to midnight, the All Request Saturday Night Oldies Party with Kenny Woods here on 3WS.
What are you in for? Auto theft. How about you? Grand larceny. How about you, Moms?
I served the wrong stuffing.
No, you didn't make stovetop stuffing with those toasty breadcrumbs, the celery and onions. Oh, and the herbs and spices. You know, my dear old mommy made.
But I thought stuffing was stuffing.
What are you talking about? We got a tough one here. Look, no kidding.
When it comes to stuffing, there's no substitute for stovetop.